Good morning everyone, it's now 20 past 7 and I'm making this video for you. What I've done is I've put all the text effects of Davinci Resolve in one video for you to watch. I've grabbed some drone footage, let's go.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else. Let you down.
And that's it. Which effect do you like most? Please let me know in the comment section down below. That's the question of today. And if you want to see more of me, please click that playlist over there. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can do so by clicking that button over there. And for this week, there's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. And until next time, doei!